Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Banking questions are fast if you know the trick. We will solve this deposit problem in 3 quick steps to find the right answer together. The monetary base includes currency in circulation plus bank reserves. When Shannon moves cash into her account, the total base stays the same because the money just shifts its location. Next, we calculate the money supply change. The bank keeps 10% as required reserves, leaving $900 of excess reserves that can be lent out to create new money. Using the money multiplier of 10, that $900 of excess reserves creates a $9,000 increase. This makes option A the winner. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush on signs and always trust the given steps for success.